We are out on the lake bed in Johnson Valley. We just pulled into Lazy Town. I think we're the first ones here. They didn't even have the spot set up yet, but they put us here in the corner while they still organize stuff. And I thought I would take this opportunity, because I've been dying, to install a new steering wheel. We got a PRP steering wheel with an NRG hub and quick release. So why not install it now and then go hit the trails? Come check them out. PRP wheel, NRG hub, and quick release. Let's open these up. So we got the limited "Don't Tread on Me" wheel, please, with the snake. Next, so we got this hub. This is not the hub I ordered. This is the hub I got. Looks like they stickered it wrong. So they put SRK 250 CF. So this is supposed to be the 2.5 version carbon fiber. We got the 2.0 version in this gunmetal gray. So they boxed it wrong. Way to go, NRG. But I'm just gonna run it because I'm out on the lake bed. I'm not gonna return it. And then next we got the hub adapter for the JK specific hub, which is 171H from NRG. So the tools that we're gonna need, we got a 13 mil, a 16 mil ratchet, and a 10 mil for the 2 bolts on the steering wheel, and I think that's all you need. And a steering wheel puller. This is a cheap puller that we bought. I think it was like 20 bucks. This is gonna make it a lot easier. You can physically pull the wheel off, but it takes a lot of force, and you might catch it in the face if you do. So get one of these.
Hello, little coyote. It's gonna be busy out there, bud.
Okay, let's take some measurements. I had some questions when I was ordering the wheel, whether I wanted a flat wheel or a dished wheel. And the wheel I got only came in a dished wheel, so I was like, is that gonna put the wheel too close? You know, so let's take some measurements and we'll see what has changed. Say about there. So the center of the wheel is about 4 1/4 inches from the base here. We're gonna see how far this deep dish wheel sticks out after we got that installed. Step 1, disconnect battery. I never do, but I will for this video. And the negative is the easiest to get to. Holy, this thing is dirty. All that red dust. Got that nice American-made battery. North Star. This thing's been great. 2 10 mils in the side. Nope. 2 10 mils. And then the airbag comes out. And then you've got 3 connections back here. Out. Those 2 tabs. And then you got your horn. The airbag's out. So in here 2 airbags, horn, and then your clock spring harness connector, and then your 13 mil. Oh, Johnson Bali. Okay, then with this puller, really nice. It's got 2 little hooks. Who bought this cheap junk shit?
I did.
Oh,
From Princess Auto.
the ends are too fat.
Well,
okay, we had to trim these down because they didn't really want to fit. And they still don't want to fit. Nope, lied. They fit. Okay. Ta-da. Now this should just... Ooh, damn. Oh, there it goes. Or something just stripped out. I don't know. Oh, yeah, it pulled it. So you can see the back. There's 2 little notches that these sit in and pull it. Makes it a lot easier. Now, will they come off? I don't know. Don't worry about that. So NRG supplies you with these little fuse and resistor for your airbags. So it's supposed to keep the airbag light off. We will see. And I'm only going to use a small dab. Like that much. Okay, that's the wheel installed. Now you can tell it's a lot closer than the factory wheel. These are like way further back. Battery back up. Okay, so I got the wheel bolted up and started up. No airbag light. That's nice. Went to turn and it was so stiff to turn, so I took it all apart to see what's going on, and it looks like there's this little lip here, and it's only on the top half that when the hub bolts down, it looks like it's rubbing on there. So I'm just going to trim this plastic. It's just plastic. I'm going to trim this off and see if that helps. Okay, I just trimmed the plastic that was up there with just a knife, so now this is kind of flat all around, and we'll try and see if this helps. Oh yeah, here we go, now it's moving freely. So I'll tighten this all back up before drive, make sure the wheel's straight. It looks like you can't just move this hub one tooth over. It's actually slotted with a fatter spline, so it only goes on one way. So as long as you got this white dot at the top, that should be lined up with your steering column and everything should be straight. I don't know the torque on this, it's probably 60 foot-pounds. This is for off-road use only. It says it right there. So you tuck all that in there. This also has a dot at the top that lines up with that dot. So a couple of measurements after we got this installed. The factory wheel was about 4 1/4 inches. This one is now 6 inches. So whether you're deciding between a deep dish or flat, just know that this is now moved out almost 2 inches closer to you. I don't know if I'm gonna like it yet, so we'll test it out and see. And what a better place to test this out. Johnson Valley for King of the Hammers.
There.
That's close. So the wheel is about 2 inches closer, and what is it? I think 2 inches smaller in diameter. So this might take a little bit of getting used to, but right now it feels good.